stranger! After him! I'll destroy you! Keep the
You have sacrificed much.
Long afore, buried was Targorath by Carnan in Doom Shadow. Aghast, my forest destroyed, my brood scattered. Now again, fire is buried, drowned in ice, and from decay come bloom. The circle is unbroken.
It was an Uruk in Golgoroth. This Zog.
Chainer of Targoroth, he. Death's midwife. Raised Targoroth. Raised Orklings.
A necromancer.
He is near. Stains air with orc magics. Cunning he, Dwemer crafty. They rise like tide waters. Baseborn, beset by death. They come for you.
By my oath, we will find him and honor your sacrifice.
Fetter the foul, or return them to dust. Defiled is the land. Cursed is the Maker. Haste! The Death Talker is near! A tormented beast is he.
All our work will be for naught if Sauron can raise the dead.
This Zog cannot be far off.
This is Zog's disease. Bring him to rot!
There, we must purify the necromancer totems. Only then can we end the ritual. We must purge this blight.
Close and closer still.
What do you need a Balrog for when you got undead? Dimwits! We meet again. I am Zog, and I've been watching you for some time. You're the inspiration for all this. What better army to defeat a dead man than a legion of undead orcs? You had it too easy to How do you like the curse? It's Dark Lord on Dimwit! You're not fighting us, Ranger. You're fighting the future. The dead will take Mordor for themselves, and not even you can stop us. Oh, there's more fun to come. Sky King!
This Zog is dangerous. His acolytes perhaps more so.
We must track them down, wherever they are.
One necromancer is dangerous. But with many,
He could create an army.
Anyone who tries to hurt them. You see what they did to the last one? See the Ranger! Clear of the ground! Stop moving!
Rise! They rise! Archers of Morgoth, let fly! Busy are the slaves of Zog! Fly! We must fly! Arise in haste! archers are racing by
Who are these archers of Morgoth?
Morgoth was the first Dark Lord, and these archers, long dead, were one of his creations. They were masters of their craft and cannot be allowed to escape these caves.
There they be.
We must destroy their totems before more of them rise.
And bards! Flee! Dust the archers go, and Morgoth be damned. Find Zog and his acolytes, deathless one. Cleanse them with fire, and spare not a one.
ambitions will only increase.
We must find him before he raises his own army.
What was that noise? Hey, it's the Ranger!
Arthur, now! You'll never escape! Did you hear? Look where! I smell something!
The brothers of corruption raise their dead. Haste! Haste! Surrounds a confusion of ghouls. They rise and rise.
As they...
Brood rages! Brood screams!
Talion, we must destroy the ghoul mounds. Only then will they stop. We must purify the totems.
Die again, you will, and be reborn! Them, angers them. End the ritual!
We won't be able to end the ritual if we don't get through these ghouls.
We need to dismount to purify the
Come, Orklings! This is not death! This is life!
Stop moving! We will raise a legion against you! Shoot him down! I'll kill you and every ghoul in Mordor!
Are you the light that will chase away the dark? The sword that will cleave the web of fate?
We must dismount.
Ocean's vibrant with power and continues.
You will be buried in Mordor,
Be
never
ready.
to rise!
These necromancers will not stop until all the dead of Mordor have been raised.
An army to rival ours. With each day, Zog's power grows.
And through each acolyte he recruits of the undead.
That's the Rangers! This'll hurt! Shoot it! Here it comes! Look for Carnan!
They come for Carnan.
We must destroy their totems.
to burn it all down.
These magics poison the forest. They poison Carnan.
Find the great tree! She hides in plain sight! Pick the wrong order! Don't you move! Yeah, more of those!
We'll do this Carnan the way they did the Great Spider.
She defiles the ritual! Stay put! That We found the great tree! All torchbearers to the clearing!
Fouled is the air, devoured by flame.
We must return to Carnan, now!
Gravewalker! He's working with the witch!
Our work is done. Come.
Too late.
All is burned. Choked.
The forest has been cleared. They will not be back.
Cursed is Zog by furious hunger. A pact unfinished, he will raise Torgoroth.
Targoroth is no more, you saw to that.
Put ear to earth and heed. Brothers of corruption hold gloaming vigil. Fire will rise from ice.
If Zog is able to raise the Balrog, it will be his thrall, and its power will be his. He must be stopped.
You're not coming with us, are you?
The long winter calls my name.
Okay.
Forests of Carnan must rest in dwell. Carnan be still, all is ash. The circle cannot be broken. Go now.
Went off to join Zog and his gang. Wants to raise the dead for a living. No, he said, whatever it was. Well, I hope you're right. It's the talk! Let's kill him! Somebody's sneaking around.
The ritual has commenced.
We can waste no time.
Targoroth! We call you back from your tomb! Rise and join our glory!
It's working! Targoroth lives! It lives!
Dimwit! You will not foul the ritual! Targoroth will rise, but not for Sauron. He will fight in my army, a legion of the dead that will rival any army of Mordor. You will hear them when they come, for they will chant my name. Zog! Zog! Zog!
the ritual! Continue the ritual! He comes! He comes! I was about to pull life from death, and you ended it! He was to be my masterwork, and you ended it! This is how you die, Grey Walker! Watch me kill you! Try again! Not today!
I think we did it.
Then Carnan's sacrifice was not in vain.
He's there!
I don't like the sound of it!
The orcs who took this city. This is our army. Not Sauron's. Not the Witch King's. The dominion of those slave masters is at an end. For today, we rise!
Zog's acolytes have been busy.
A necromancer is never truly dead.
The arena is stocked with dead Uruk, victims of the siege.
An army in waiting.
These foul delicacies, what ecstasy to imbibe!
You gave me the taste of this glorious corruption. Forced the cloying poisons down my throat. And now that I have choked down my fill, I vomit this putrescence back upon the world! Upon you! Upon all!
Stop it before he ends the ritual! We share a common enemy, Ranger! You open Victon! Suddenly see the Grave Walker! I'll take it! That's how it's done! The talk is hiding round here! I told you when you killed me that I would rise and rise again. But here you are, trying to put an end to me once more, and failing. You are a simple man. You understand now, don't you? The dead aren't dead. They're just waiting for someone who will listen, who will answer their call. Once you're out of the way, we will all rise again.
It is Carnan.
Cleansed by fire to ash you go. Burn to cinder and never to return. I told you, Ranger. Undead will defeat undead.